This is how I transport Daisy girl. Keep her safe, keep her in a crate. I used to kind of just have her in a seat, but I'd hate to lose her. But if you have, if you can, get a crate for your dog or puppy, it's just a lot safer for them. I'm not putting anybody down if they, ride around in your dog in your arm driving, but to each his own. But I like to keep my baby nice and safe. Daisy girl. Hey, Daisy girl. Yeah. Good baby. Good baby. She's going to have a good Christmas.